In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add booking link to Google Business page. If you want customers to schedule appointments straight from your business profile on Google Search and Maps, a booking link is the simplest way to do it. We'll walk through getting to the right place, finding the booking section, getting verified, and then adding your link so it's easy for people to book with you. First, open your browser and go to business.google.com. This takes you to Google Business Profile Manager. Sign in with the Google account that manages your business, then select the business you want to work on if you have more than one. You'll see a dashboard with options to edit your profile, add information, and manage features. Keep this tab open because everything you need to do happens right here. Next, look for the Bookings option. Depending on the interface, you might see it in the left-hand menu or inside your profile controls under something like Edit Profile or Services. Click on Bookings to open the booking settings. If you don't see it, your business category or region might not support bookings yet. In that case, make sure your primary category is relevant to appointments, such as a service-based category, and check back later as availability can vary. You'll be prompted to get verified before you can use bookings if you haven't already. Click Get Verified. Verification tells Google that you're the real business owner, which helps protect your listing and unlocks features like bookings, messaging, and insights. Follow the on-screen prompts from Google to complete verification. It's a one-time process for each business profile, and you only need to do it before adding the booking link. Once you're verified, come back to the booking section and you'll see the option to add a booking list link. Click to add your link, then paste the direct URL from your scheduling tool or your website's appointment page. Choose a link that lands someone on a clear, ready-to-book page with the fewest clicks possible. Save your changes. It can take a little time for the link to appear publicly, so give it a short while and then search for your business on Google to confirm it's visible. As a tip, test the link yourself on mobile and desktop to make sure it loads quickly and points to the exact service you want people to book. Keep your link up to date if you change scheduling platforms or availability, and you'll keep that booking experience smooth for your customers.